Hey, what's going on, guys? Money Making Joey, the Forex and crypto trading guru, back here doing another video for you guys. And we're going to keep this one short and sweet because you guys know this channel is dedicated to getting you guys into the right mindset. You guys look at things just a tad bit different when you come over to my channel. So if this is your first time seeing me on YouTube, do me a favor, go ahead and get subscribed to the channel. I make helpful videos for newbie day traders every single day, right? And I consider myself just to be a tad bit different in a few different ways. Number one, I feel like when you look through social media, you find traders that are dedicated to one thing. They either just do crypto, just do stocks, or just do Forex. Number one, I'm going to let you guys know I trade all three. So you will get information on all three here inside of my YouTube channel. You were to make the decision to get inside of our trading group in Discord. We also give information on those three different categories that you can trade in and make money. Assets, I should actually say. Now, the purpose of today's video, right, is going to be how to day trade if you're broke, right? Now, I am a huge component of when you decide to take this journey, you should have a decent amount of money inside of your trading account. But the truth of the matter, if we just take statistics, right, of people's financial state, the truth of the matter is most people don't really have a lot of money to day trade with. For someone to come into the industry, let's hypothetically say with $10,000, $20,000, inside of their trading account, that is just actually not the norm. A lot of the 95% of traders who come into the industry and failed had less money than that inside of their actual trading account, right? And I really feel like over the last couple weeks, and I've been drilling it into you guys, that it's going to be important for you to take the industry just a tad bit serious, because most of the different things that you've seen and learned regarding the industry on YouTube and other different social media platforms is actually just a tad bit false. I'd rather give you the true information here than sell you a dream just in the hopes of you joining the Discord or buying my trading course. I'd rather you get into our Signal group and buy one of our trading courses with the right mindset at hand of you coming into the industry and learning. Just due to the fact of I don't need the money that comes in from, one-on-one consultations, Signal groups, or anything like that. I do pretty decent for myself when it comes to trading these different assets alone, right? The sole purpose of my YouTube channel, the sole purpose of the consultations and the trading course is really to help you become a successful trader, right? I feel like I would be doing everyone out there watching a disservice if I said, hey, yeah, you know what? This, and that is possible, right? I sold you a false dream, and that is not something that, I really intend to do here, right? So now we're making this video dedicated for everyone out there who's looking to become a day trader. Anyone who is looking to make money from the market and you don't have that $10,000, $20,000 to put into a trading account, right? Because one thing is for certain is that even though that is the truth of the matter, I don't want to really discourage anyone that has, let's say, $1,000 to $3,000 that they're looking to put into a trading account. Because the truth of the matter is, I'll put it down to you guys like this, right? If you never ever try, you will never learn anything. You will never be one step closer to becoming that great profitable day trader, right? You can use a paper account. One thing that I've made mention in previous videos is that I feel like it's nothing really better than learning and trading with your own actual money, because the emotions that get put in when you're using your own money is something different than what you're going to experience when you're using a demo account, right? So now I'm going to take the lowest amount. Let's say you have $1,000, you go ahead and you throw it into your trading account, right? you are now in a predicament where you're looking to make a large amount of money fast. You're in a point where you're looking to double this $1,000 every month, every other month, whatever the case may be. I feel like the best option for someone in this scenario is going to be to day trade, preferably scalp trades. And I'm going to let you guys know why. When you don't have that large capital inside of your trading account, it makes it just a tad bit tougher for you to be in a situation where, let's say, you're intraday trading or you're swing trading, just due to the fact of those trades that you're taking, they're going to need to use less leverage. Like you might be using 10x leverage, as opposed to now, if you're day trading or scalping, you now have the ability to use larger leverage. Let's say 50 to 100x, if not higher, just due to your entry point and where your stop loss is in the trade. Having the ability to use more leverage gives you the ability to take this small amount of money and multiply it by 100. So now you have way more money in a trade than what you actually have. And in return, this now gives you the ability to make more money on that trade. And then now also, when you have small amounts of money, you're going to get a little bit more tricky with your risk to reward plan. Like most traders, I advise them to stick to around 2% of their overall trading account that they put in. And this is why I've mentioned in previous videos that if you have that small account, it's really going to be important for you to have the right mentor, have the right education behind you, so that way you know whatever trading strategy that you're using, it's giving you an edge on the market where you're winning at least 7 to 8 out of 10 trades. If you have a trading plan that's not at least giving you that, you're really in a wrong spot, and that's not somewhere that you're actually going to want to be. You're going to want to have this winning trading plan there, so that way now you can actually have the success in your account to actually be able to double that money, right? So now you're using higher leverage. You're also going to want to have a stronger trade frequency, in which this is something that I was speaking to someone on a one-on-one consultation about, because they still had a 9-to-5 job along with other things going on in their life, which didn't really give them the ability to take more trades. When you have that small account, I'm going to let you guys know, when you're in day trade and scalping mode, you're going to want to be at bare bone the minimum taking 10 to 20 trades per week. And this is why you need to get into other assets. You don't want to limit yourself to just Bitcoin or just Forex or just stocks. You're going to be wanting to take a look at 2 or 3 of those different assets, so that way it gives you the ability to enter more trades, right? Because when you're not really following a concept like that, and you have other things going on in your life, other distractions, whatever the case may be, and you're getting 2-3 trades in per week, you're not really catching the momentum to elevate yourself, right? To be able to double your account within 30 to 60 days, and it could actually take you longer. Like, I had a guy that I did a consultation with, and he's also been inside of the trading group, I think since like September of last year. He was that distracted guy. He had things going on. He was winning trades. He had a great trading plan, but he wasn't really in front of the charts for too long looking at different assets to then now give him the ability to get those 10 to 20 trades. He was profitable, yes. It just took him a tad bit longer. I believe, if I'm correct, because we spoke last month once we broke into the new year, and I believe from September 2024 through New Year's, the end of the year, he was able to do 70% on his small account. He didn't double it in 2 months. He didn't even double it for the year. But one thing that I want you guys to ask yourself, everyone out there watching this video, are you fulfilled? Are you happy with yourself if within 4 months you have this small trading account and you did 70%? You didn't get a chance to flip and double your money in a month, 2 months, but you got 70%. You really have to ask yourself that, because unfortunately it's a lot of people out there that they don't look at a 70% win over 4 months as now being a successful trader, just because they weren't able to flip their account in a month. I got news for you guys, because the truth of the matter out there, anyone watching, anyone in the community that's been trading for some time, they're going to let you know, hey, if you can do 70% on your trading account in 4 months, that's a win. They would consider that person to be, a profitable trader, right? And when we think about, putting money in different places, investing, private equity, whatever the case may be, you're not getting 70% in 4 months. That is a great return, right? So that is a successful trader. And that is one thing that I definitely had to mention to him during the conversation that we are having. So like I said, guys, I didn't want to make this video too long. I just want you guys to think about things just a tad bit different. Look at things, just a tad bit different. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys have found value from it. And again, get subscribed to the channel if this is your first time seeing me on YouTube. Money Making Joey, the Forex and crypto trading guru. I'm out of here, and I will see you guys in the next one.